Set up an outdoor fish pond. Fishes have a very calming effect when you look at them swim around, not to mention hearing the soothing sounds of the water gently splashing around in the pond. Apart from having an aquarium, most people nowadays like to make fish ponds in their yard. This can be more complicated to construct compared to assembling an aquarium, but the outcome is well worth it in the end. Besides, a fish pond is more durable and is likely to last for a long time, longer than any standard aquarium. To know how you can set up your own outdoor fish pond, follow the instructions below. Materials that you will need: shovel, Sand Pebbles Gloves Water from hose, 4 pieces of small wooden stakes, roll of red yarn, a can of white spray paint, pond liner. Identify the location of your pond. Take a walk around your yard and look for the perfect spot for your pond. Think of this fish pond as something permanent, so take time to think where you want it to be constructed. One thing to consider when looking for a location is the nearby surroundings. You do not want your pond near the garbage cans. Place it somewhere where visitors can see. It would be best if you also have a lounge area nearby to relax on while watching the fishes. For easier construction, consider putting it on a soil ground rather than on concrete so you can easily dig. Mark the area. Pierce the soil with wooden stakes on all 4 corners. Tie red yarn across each stake to mark the area for your pond. Feel free to adjust the stakes and the yarn to make the pond area bigger or smaller. When you have pretty much made your decision on the location and size, get a can of spray paint and paint the area according to the size and shape of your fish pond. This will serve as your guide as you start digging later on. Start digging. Using a shovel, follow the outline of spray paint as you dig the area for the pond. Make sure that the level of the surface is balanced, as water may spill as you fill it shortly. On the walls, place a nice slope not more than 45 degrees. The depth of the hole should be 3 inches more than your desired actual pond depth. Remove any rocks from the hole. Add a layer of sand. Pour 2-inch thick sand at the bottom of your hole. Pour some water on the sand as you step on it to keep it packed. Add the pond liner. Lay the pond liner slowly on top of the sand. Choose a liner made of fiberglass if you want it to last for about 40 to 50 years. Add the water. Using a garden hose to supply water, start filling your pond. Allow at least 2 inches space before the water reaches the edge of the pond. Now that you have your fish pond, carefully add in your freshwater fishes. Do not crowd the pond with fishes to allow them ample space to swim on. Check on the water level regularly and add some if you see it getting lower than usual.